Welcome back sa ating FB page na Free Reviewers with Leonalyn at sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Now, let's answer question from one of our followers na pinipm ito sa ating FB page. Ngayon, dapat niyong pakinggan kung bakit itong answer key na 10% ay mali. So, paliwanag muna natin bago natin basahin yung answer key na nandito. A government agency has 15 departments. 15 daw na department. So, isulat natin yung mga department na yan. Ilan sila lahat? 15. Each with 8 employees. Anong ibig sabihin ng each with 8 employees? So, kada isang department merong 8 na empleyado. So, ibig sabihin, kung doon tayo sa total, i-multiply natin ng 8. Kada department merong 8. 15 man yung mga department. So, i-multiply natin ng 8. And this is 120. Ito yung total na mga employees. If 2 employees from each department, ilan lahat yung department? 15 lahat. So, if 2 employees from each department, ibig sabihin, tag-dalawa dyan sa 8 kada department. So, times 2. Ang lahat ng yan ay 30. Are assigned to a special project. Sila itong na-assign sa special project, itong 30 na employees. Now, yung tanong, what percentage of the total workforce? Kapag ganyan, ang pang-divide ay yung total workforce, 120. Now, what percentage of the total workforce is assigned to the project? Ilan sila lahat to total workforce? Sila yung na-assign sa project. 30. Iyan na yun. 30. Ang pang-divide natin yung total. 30 divided by 120. Hindi na natin ito isa-isahin. And this is 0.25. Percent man. May percent sign yung hinahanap natin. So, i-move natin yung decimal twice to the right side at lagyan ng percent sign. And this is 25%. Balikan natin yung answer key. Ngayon, basahin natin si answer key dito. 2 employees kada department, minumultiply niya ng 15. So, meron siyang 30 na empleyado. So, ito yung, bali itong 30 na empleyado, ito yung merong special project. So, ang ginawa dito ay 30 employees. Dinivide niya ng 120, which is correct, na 25%. Ngayon, may kadugtong. But since only 2 employees per department are assigned, it is 10%. Nasaan yung solution na naging 10% siya? Paano naging 10%? Mali yan siya. Kahit doon pa tayo sa kada department. Now ngayon, doon tayo sa kada department. Sa kada department, lahat ng empleyado, yung total sa kada department ay 8 ang lahat ng empleyado. Tapos, nandyan, 8 employees. Then, dalawa sa kada department, yan yung na-assign sa special project. Dalawa special project. What percent of the total workforce, na doon tayo sa total workforce sa each department? Each department ay 8. Total workforce is assigned to the special project, which is 2. 2 divided by 8, and that is still 0.25. So therefore, 0.25 equals 25%. Kaya ang sagot dito ay 25%. Thank you for watching and all. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Kung sakaling iba yung sagot nyo, paki-comment. I-detalye nyo yung solusyon kung bakit hindi 25% yung sagot nyo. Thank you and God bless.